channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Celine. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I would truly and greatly appreciate it. It's the red button somewhere around here. It's absolutely free. YouTube will not charge you, and I most certainly will not charge you. So please join my family. You know, click that button. Let's enjoy and have fun in this journey called YouTube. So guys, anyways, today I have a tutorial for you guys, a hair tutorial for you guys. So this is going to be a first for me because and I decided to share with you guys. So I am going to be snatching this frontal. So I got this, or I purchased this hair. This is actually my first time, or this is going to be my first time installing a frontal hair on myself, guys. I am super scared, like I am so scared, but anyways, I have you guys with me, so I'm going to draw energy from you guys to be able to do this hair well. So I've been seeing a lot of videos on Instagram, you know, people snatching them edges and all that, and I decided to purchase my first ever frontal, and here is to hoping that we slay them edges and lay this hair real good. So I purchased this hair from Brian World. They are an So I purchased this hair from Brian World on Instagram. So they are a fashion hair and wig company located in Ogun State in Nigeria here. So you know how when you're on Instagram and all of a sudden you're seeing sponsored posts and stuff like that? That was actually how I got to find out about her page. So I was like, oh, you know, sometimes whenever you see Instagram vendors, you're always kind of like skeptical, like especially hair vendors, you're like, and then when you now see the prices of the hair, like that means it's not like real, it's like fake hair and stuff like that. So that was kind of like the first impression I had when I went through her page, because her hair is so affordable, like super affordable. Like you don't need to break the bank to actually get hair from her. So like when I saw her prices, I was like, are these real authentic hairs? And you know, she was posting all the videos where, like, you know, when vendors are like dancing and combing hair and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, the hair looks lush and all that. So anyways, I decided to take a chance and I bought this wig from her. This is wig Juliana. It's a full frontal wig. And it's I think they call it water coils or something like that. I have no idea, but yeah, it's all those like those hair that you spray water and like it gets really coily and stuff like that. I think they call it water coils. So anyways, that's what I wanted, and yeah, that is what I got from her. So basically it's already a pre-made wig. It comes frontal as usual. Then there are no pins or there are no clips inside, but it comes with a the strap. It has the wig strap on it. So this wig is actually pre-plucked. From what I'm seeing here, it actually looks like, let me see if I can. So the hair looks pre-plucked. I don't know if you guys can see that. It looks pre-plucked, so I don't think I would need to like pluck the hair or anything like that. So yeah, so basically we're just going to get into the installation of this hair. So I haven't cut it, I haven't done anything to it. So yeah, so basically first off, I'm just going to try to size the hair or the wig cap. I'm going to try and do the skull cap or fishnet method or whatever you call it, I don't know, but anyways, I'm going to try and do that method today. So yeah, I'm just going to get started. So for my bonding agents, I'm going to be using the Got2b. I'm going to be using the glue and the blasting spray. So I got this from Wig Tools. Yeah, Wig Tools on Instagram. So yeah, so let's start.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Guys, this is like I clearly need some more practice, but anyways, I'm going to try and see if I can lay these edges, or at least these parts, very flat. Then I will be right back. So I'm basically going to just use the got to be and the freeze spray with my blow dryer to see if I can lay it really flat. Okay guys, so I have done the best I can to lay this wig cap down. I've tried my best. I am not a professional when it comes to this whole bald cap method, but this is my first time trying it, and oh well, we will take it as it is. So guys, this is how full, like the wig is so full, like, and it's so soft, like you can virtually run your hands through it. So I'm just going to size the wig. So I don't know if this lace would actually need like, okay, I'm gonna have to need to cut this baby more. But this wig, like the lace is like so good. I don't think I need to bleach anything in the lace. Guys, this is and they have taken lights. So guys, they just took my lights. I'm going to try and see if I can on the gem, but come on, can you guys see? I'm gonna have to like cut this side or something. But this lace is actually so good. It doesn't need like, okay guys, so I've trimmed off some more of, I think I still need to trim off some more. I don't know, I can feel more needs to be trimmed off. I think I'm satisfied with the cutting. It's not the best, but it'll do. So I'm just going to pull the wig forward and see now. Yeah, I think that's a lot better. Like I don't have to. So what I'm just going to do, I'm just going to take some foundation, and I'm going to just cover on top of this. So just going back into that, my just trying to lay this guy really flat, like super flat. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I'm just going to retest the wig again. Okay, I'm happy with that. So I'm just going to trim the lace now. So I'm just going to spray the blast free spray just on my hairline.
Pineapple
press the hair down so it stays. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this for a few minutes. I'm going to do my makeup and I'll be right back.
Saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit.
So guys, this is all the hair that I combed out after detangling the hair. That is just my problem. That's just my problem with the hair. It's so soft and beautiful with the wig. It's so soft and beautiful, but it sheds a lot. Like detangling the hair, like expect to lose a lot of the hair. So yeah, this is how much I have detangled or how much I lost after detangling the hair, which is bad.